So I could get arrested doing this. Could get yelled at. So I'm just come get arrested with me. How about that? Maybe we'll get shot at. So I'm about 18 miles north of Sandpoint, Idaho on Highway 2, Highway 95, whatever you want to call it. This is cool. I'm in between Bonners Ferry, Idaho and Sandpoint, Idaho. And I saw this really cool piece of artwork and I want to go look at it. It's obviously on private property. I don't see any no trespassing signs. But that doesn't mean anything. Could be something else. So I could get arrested doing this. Could get yelled at. So I'm just come get arrested with me. How about that? Maybe we'll get shot at. I don't know. I don't like the sound of that, but hey, let's go check it out anyway. Art is art, and I am really into checking out people's real creative art, and that's what this is. You've got to see this. Oh, would you look at this? This is made out of mostly bulldozer parts. Let's see. These are chainsaw bars. These are heads off and cylinders off of chainsaws, it looks like. This appears to be an idler pulley of some kind. No, it's not. It's a power steering pump. These are drive gears from a dozer. The wings are made of old garage doors. This is hilarious. And some aluminum I-beams. On second thought, I think that's just metal roofing. I don't think that is a garage door. Metal roofing wrapped around aluminum I-beams and wood. Total creativity. Gotta give a hand to this guy or gal, whoever did it. I don't know. I'm assuming a guy, but I could be assuming wrong. If you know who did this, leave a comment. I'd like to let them know that just exactly what I think of their artwork, and I think, share this video with them if you know who they are. These trusses. This truss looks like a boom off the end of an old crane. In fact, let's take a look. Yes, this is where the pulley used to go, and that was part of the stuff that held things together and maintained it. This is just a slab of an old barrel or something. This is hilarious. Oh, there's the pulley down there. You can see the pulley right there. Yeah, this is so cool. The cockpit is the cab off of a dozer. And a John Deere, I'm sure. See right there? John Deere Equipment Sales and Service Implement Company in Bonners Ferry, Idaho. Hey, look at that. It's a lawn chair. All they're missing is a mannequin in the things. I just love this art made out of junk. Look at this. They got spark plugs wired together with Romex. That's house wiring. That's awesome. I bet the guy who built this is a really cool person. A lot of fun. Well, I guess I better get out of here before I get arrested, eh?